Ladies and gentlemen, $10,000 has gone towards the actual cost of defraying medical expenses, and $16,000 going towards the cost of the TV commercials that will air across most of the TV channels in Fiji. So, Minister, thank you very much for your acceptance of the check this evening.
I think on behalf of the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, if there's one thing that I'd like to say, I'm very glad that the Ministry is working together with the Golden Oldies Rugby Club in this very important endeavor. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you for starting off by standing behind one lamppost, now to moving to being in the Defense Club and having these functions and having your years of being able to do things not only for yourselves but also for your families. Congratulations on that. And I think on behalf of the government, we'd like to thank you for taking up this particular cause. This cause of mooting prostate cancer. You know, this whole month it's all been about cancer. It's been about Pink October. There's been a lot of talk about breast cancer and all other forms of cancer. But we know that in this country, for men, the big issue is prostate cancer. So to have a group of successful people who are playing rugby and engaging in activities to also become very fit, where you're donating your time and your efforts to raise funds for something that will allow us to screen people that might have prostate cancer on the verge of making it more serious, and also to have advocacy messages to go out there to help people. We thank you for that. We in government believe that all of these health issues are things that we cannot handle on our own. We always need to work in collaboration, in partnership. Through collaboration and partnership, we can have a great outreach to those that are out there in the community. So I thank you once again for this, and I look forward to a very successful campaign this year. As you have, I've just been told that I have to play rugby. Okay, I think I can start by playing that position, another position that holds things like this, and eventually graduate to moving into the field. But I think if there's one message out there for everybody out in the community, is that for all males, if you're 40 years and above, you need to get yourself checked. There's an opportunity for you to do this through the exercise that's been done by the Golden Oldies Rugby Club. We encourage everybody to get involved. Once again, thank you for getting involved with prostate cancer, and we look forward to a successful month in the month of November, when it's all about Movember. It's about male cancers, and prostate cancer is right at the top.